Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Abiha, again after a while, after a month, I guess, maybe. Well, this video is dedicated for those of my friends who say that we people from the northern areas live on top of a mountain. Well, we don't live on that part of the mountain. We live in a valley. So basically, वो पहाड़ के बिल्कुल नीचे बॉटम में होता है. And so I'll show you that we are surrounded by mountains on all four sides. And please don't mind the background sounds. I think you can hear birds and even cars. Well, without any further ado, let me show you around the house. Okay. So that is basically a mountain. Well, I don't think I need to explain it. And it was rainy for the past 3 days, so you can see the clouds over there as well, and beautiful clouds over there as well. So yeah, and it's basically when it rains here, तो पहाड़ों के बिल्कुल करीब करीब बादल आ जाते हैं. बादल बहुत नीचे तक आते हैं और you can sometimes even think that हम बादलों में रह रहे हैं. Well, और अगर आप ज़्यादा हाइट पे चले जाते हैं तो you can actually sort of breathe the clouds. And I think you can see that the mountains are over there. Okay, that's the furthest I can go. And okay, you must be wondering what that is. Most of you must be wondering what that is. That's basically called an alam. So alam is an Arabic word. It stands for a flag basically. तो ये होता था कि Arabian Peninsula में before you went to some war or something, तो आप ये आपकी आर्मी का एक अलम होता था which basically represented your army, sort of like a symbol of your army. लेकिन when you see it in Pakistani homes or some other Middle Eastern homes, तो ये basically है, this represents that the house belongs to a Shia Muslim, and ये basically Hazrat Abbas alayhi salam के अलम को शो करता है जो वो करबला में he was the flag bearer of Imam Hussein's army. So that is basically a representation of his flag in Karbala. That is, well, we have that up there as well. That is on our roof, and that is on the roof of our neighbors. So you will find it very common here in Gilgit because it is basically a Shia populated city. And yes, well, this is अंगूर. This is अंगूर. And so ये अंगूर की बेल है, and अगर हम इसके नीचे जाएं तो well, this is how it looks like from beneath. And my father had to put these poles up क्योंकि the wall wasn't too much and it didn't give it too much area to spread out. Now see how big this has gotten, mashallah. And अभी अंगूर उगने वाले हैं. I can even show you. I think it's over here. Yeah, this is अंगूर. और the cool thing about this अंगूर species is that इसके बीच नहीं होते, तो आप बस धोएं और डायरेक्ट मुंह में डालें सारा. And I hate those grapes which I hate the seeds of the grapes. And then moving forward, this is basically a pomegranate tree. So यहाँ पे अनार उगते हैं. There used to be two basically. एक यहाँ पे भी होता था, but my father trimmed it down. So yeah, बहुत कुछ हुआ करता था यहाँ पे पहले, and I have a lot of memories associated with the trees in my home. So, but with time my father trimmed them down because he felt like they weren't growing properly enough, but they never grew after that. So there used to be a cherry tree over there where this fig tree is currently standing. ये fig का tree, fig यानी कि what do you call it in Urdu? I forgot what we call it in Urdu. Sorry, but like yeah, this is a fig tree, and यहाँ पे एक चेरी का दरख्त होता था. So we had sort of like 6 cherry trees when we were young in our home. So we were 3 siblings, so each one of us took two of those trees, और हम कहते थे कि ये दो मेरे दरख्त हैं, लेकिन नॉट इन द सेंस दैट वी डिडंट अलाउ ईच अदर टू ईट फ्रॉम देम। हम बस इन दरख्तों पे ना अपनी एक जगह बना के बैठ जाया करते थे। यू मस्ट हियर दिस साउंड, एंड दिस इज़ बेसिकली some mining happening on the mountain side. You heard the second explosive sound. यहाँ से mining होती है, and they actually take out the minerals and limestone, gemstones and stuff like that. So you can occasionally hear this sound because we live very close to the base of the mountain. Okay, yeah, this is then a cherry tree. This is one of those six cherry trees which is surviving right now. And लेकिन मुझे नसीब नहीं हुआ इस बार, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गई थी. And that is a apricot tree, and this is basically behind the wall. So the wall, behind the wall is my nana's sort of an orchard and a farmland, you can say it sort of. तो यहाँ पे मेरे नाना के पास he has a cow, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा different fruits के trees भी हैं, and हम अक्सर इस दीवार पे चढ़ जाते हैं और फिर यहाँ से खाते भी हैं the apricots. This is another one of those this is a relatively new pomegranate tree, and you can identify it from the flowers it has. So this is let me focus it to this. Yeah, I think, I don't know if it is focusing or not, but yeah, this is basically the pomegranate tree. These are a few flowers. Okay, so this is called Kutta Punar again. Sorry, I got interrupted. It's because of the dog-shaped they look like dogs. I don't know where they look like dogs from, but you can just look at this, and because of their the opening of their oh shit, damn, I just broke one. Shoot. Oh, but yeah, this is basically it just opens up like a doggy. I'm so sad for this, but yeah, well, sorry plant, sorry. Other than that, we also have these. ये basically एक elastic sort of plant है. It's very strange. इसको ना आप जब touch करते हो तो it feels like a rubber, and even when you break the leaves, you can see some sort of liquid coming out of it, and when you put some water over here, you can see them. It just sits on top of it. So yeah, it's a strange, cute plant, but I don't want to break the leaf. Furthermore, we have roses there and there. One of them is even coming out from here. There, you can see it. So this is one of the final 360 shots of my home. This is only a part of it. Well, there's a chicken coop back there, and a pigeon, a place where we keep the pigeons. And my father is very interested in he loves keeping pets. So he just got a new chicken, this one. See what they're eating? This one is the new one. Yeah, this little guy. These are a little old. You must have seen pictures of them as well. Hello guys. So yeah, when I was a child, I used to sit down here with my brothers upon the grass, lie down over here and gaze up at the sky, look at it for hours and hours straight. हम एक गेम भी खेलते थे, एंड इट वाज बेसिकली जिसमें एक सैटेलाइट जो होता है वो अर्थ के राउंड घूमता रहता है. सो हम क्या करते थे, हमारी गेम का रूल ये था कि जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा सैटेलाइट्स मिलेंगे ही इज़ द विनर, एंड ही और शी मे बी ही तो लेकिन यू नो आई वाज अ चाइल्ड बैक देन, सो मुझे नहीं पता था कि जो सैटेलाइट है वो अर्थ के अराउंड घूमता है. सो वी यूज्ड टू स्पॉट द सेम सैटेलाइट अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड उसकी स्पीड भी काफ़ी तेज़ होती है, तो वी यूज्ड टू स्पॉट द सेम सैटेलाइट अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड वी यूज्ड टू काउंट इट अगेन एंड अगेन. बाद में जब मैंने फिज़िक्स पढ़ी तो मुझे समझ आई कि ओ शिट, इट वाज द सेम थिंग दैट वी वर यू नो काउंटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. मे बी एक टाइम पे आप एट मैक्स मैंने 2 देखे हैं साथ साथ चलते हुए, मतलब आगे पीछे, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स एक साथ इतने ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो सकते. सो या दैट वाज समथिंग आई डिस्कवर, एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट अल्लाह हैज़ गिवन मी an opportunity to sit close to nature. So I'm just very close to it. Maybe the fact that I can take pictures, sorry for that, the fact that I can take pictures and actually see, maybe is because I've spent too much time here with nature. And ज़रूरी वैसे नहीं है, क्योंकि I've even seen people close to nature but not really realizing it, too much engrossed in their mundane lives to even notice the beauty of nature around themselves. The sun is setting and the day is ending, but I'm happy that I just took a step and recorded this. This is officially my first vlog. And I think it's the first time I'm actually talking up on camera, like showing my face. I hope you guys liked it. I know it sucked, the video, and so did the video quality, but I'm happy, and if you like it, I'll bring more of such interesting stories from around my neighborhood, not just my home. And just give it a like, and if you like it, and if you like to hear more stories from a random 21-year-old girl, then just subscribe to the channel, share it as much as you can, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about it and what else I could be posting, right? Allah Hafiz, signing out.